to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I do to prevent the color fading from my hair. As you guys know, red is one of the colors that tends to fade really quick, and today I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my color without damaging. So first of all, what I like to use every week, this is every week, it's not a daily use, I like to use the Ion Pigment. This is new at Sally's. It's a hot red. It's a color depositing mask. It serves as a treatment and as a color refreshment, and I like to use this once a week for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have tried it both as a conditioner, and I have tried it on dry hair. I noticed that I like it better when it's in dry hair, because if I use it as a conditioner, then what happens is that it stains my bathroom really bad. It stains my hands, it stains my scalp, my skin. It's such a big mess. So I tried it twice, and it deposited a really nice red tone, but it's just a mess that I'm having trouble with. So last time I used it was on dry hair. I left it on for about 5-8 minutes, and I just mixed it up with like a semi-permanent color, which is much faster. It tends to last me about 2 to 3 washes, so I do have to be using it every week, which I don't mind. I mean, it's good. Okay guys, so this is the Pigment by Ion, and this is a hot red. I don't think you can see it super well here. This is also in color magenta, and I also have another pigment in the color honey blonde. I've used this too previously when I used to have my hair in a copper tone, but since right now I have a red tone, I'm going to be using the newest color, which is red. So I'm just going to get my bowl and my brush and just pour it in there, just as you would on regular tint. And you can apply a little bit of water also just to make it more creamy, or just any conditioner that you have. I'm going to be applying my pigment all over my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as it grabs into parts of the hair. I don't mind if it doesn't grab fully on. Since I have my roots dark, I'm just going to go ahead and put it like a peekaboo effect. It's really easy and it's really fast if you want to go ahead and just refresh that color. It did last me about 3 to 4 washes more or less, and that's because I use a regular shampoo. I don't use like a color protect shampoo that protects especially red hair. I just think it does the same job as any other shampoo would do. So I'm just using this to refresh my color right now. I really like this pigment, guys. I think it's one of the best treatments there is out there that has both a treatment and a color depositing. It just leaves my hair really shiny and super soft. I really recommend this to everyone with red hair. It's a must try. Okay, so it's gonna be 5 minutes. I mean, it's good. So whenever I'm not using that treatment, I go ahead and use this one as a daily shampoo and conditioner. This is the olive oil shampoo, and this is the conditioner. They are color safe, and they help me to make that moisture boost. They give me an incredible shine, and it does give me a really soft, nice touch whenever I dry my hair. So that one's really good. I don't think it's sulfate free. It says color safe, but it doesn't say it's sulfate free. I still use it. It doesn't make any much of a difference. So I really like it. I mean, it smells really nice. It smells really fresh. The other thing I like to use whenever I do not shampoo my hair with either or of those products, I like to use the dry shampoo. I am in love with the BATISE brand. I've used a lot of brands and dry shampoos, and they're really sticky in my roots, so that's what I don't like about it. And I like this one because it doesn't leave me that stickiness. And I'm going to do another video to show you how I personally use it. And it's a really nice one. It has several of scents, and this one is in Coconut and Exotic Tropical. So I have this one, and I have another one, but I just do not remember the scent on the other one. If you don't have a dry shampoo, you can always go the old style, which is a baby powder. That one you should sprinkle it on your roots, leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, and just massage it really nice. It absorbs the extra oil in your hair, and it also gives you volume. Another thing that I use on my past videos is that So Gorgeous Volumizing Root Lifting Powder Mist. This is pretty much similar as the dry shampoo is the baby powder, but this one's more precise because of the tip it has. And it's just pretty much spritzing on the roots, leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, and just massaging it really quick. It gives you moisture, it gives you a nice volume, and it also gives you a nice root lift. So this are all my products that I like to use. I'm in love with this because this is the color that I have right now. That's the result of it, and this is what I've been using so far, and it has worked for me. So thank you guys for tuning in on my video, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye!